Hey guys, welcome to Blabbing English. I'm Missy. Thank you so much for deciding to open up this video and spend some time with me today. In this video, I would like to go over a very important verb that you need to know to be able to speak English in a conversation. This verb is to want. Before I begin, I would also like to tell you a little about our other channel, Inglés Express. Check this channel out and I will leave the link below in the comment section and in the description of this video. There's a lot of important videos over there for you to see as well to improve your English. Now let's get started with this verb. I want. I can go if I want. I can go if I want. I want to see that movie. I want to see that movie. I want to help you. I want to help you. I want to sing tonight. I want to sing tonight. I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. You want. You want to write the letter. You want to write the letter. Do you want to see me? Do you want to see me? You want more money. You want more money. Do you want a new computer? Do you want a new computer? He wants. He wants to play a game. He wants to play a game. Does he want to go? Does he want to go? He wants to sleep early. He wants to sleep early. He wants to have a party. He wants to have a party. Do you know what he wants? Do you know what he wants? She wants. Does she want to see her grandma? Does she want to see her grandma? I know what she wants. I know what she wants. She wants that car. She wants that car. She wants to teach the dog. She wants to teach the dog. She wants to wash the dishes. She wants to wash the dishes. We want. This is what we want. This is what we want. Does he know that we want to go to? Does he know that we want to go to? We want to meet your mom. We want to meet your mom. We want to travel to Europe. We want to travel to Europe. We want to dance to that song. We want to dance to that song. They want. They want to sit down. They want to sit down. They want to cook dinner for you. They want to cook dinner for you. Do you know what they want? Do you know what they want? Do they want to go home? Do they want to go home? They want to build a new house. They want to build a new house. Now you should have a better understanding of how to use the verb want in English. This should help you when you have a basic conversation. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you guys super soon. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao, Blabanitos!